Today we're going to make hummus. So these are the ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, tahini, chickpeas, garlic, lemon, and salt. Back now it's time to peel the chickpeas. Now it's time to add our other ingredients: lemon. Now I have to take.
Vitlök, jag stoppar det vid.
Yeah, tahini.
Ja.
Okay, now we're done with the main stuff. Now to garnish it with some paprika. That is cumin and spiced cumin and sumac.
Ja.
Now we add that and some cayenne, just for that spice. Tomato and chopped parsley, and the core of the hummus. Okay, squeeze of lemon. There. Maybe a bit on there too.
Okej, nu sitter vi här och fikar. Hur smakar det, Göran?
That's good. Tastes like kind of like sour peanut butter.